Oops, okay. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Happy Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth, everybody. Welcome to today's 3 o'clock live. So I'm going to show you some of the featured wigs that we have in store. Let me pin the website below. All of the wigs you see here are available at our website post. Okay, let me pin it. How did I pin it? Okay, so there's our website below, magichaircompany.com, and every wig that you see here today is available and can ship out immediately. So we do have wigs in store, and to keep with social distancing, we will be doing these wig shows every Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thank you everybody for tuning in today. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Bear with me. Hello, Hollywood Princess. Bear with me, guys. I'm here by myself today, and I just wanted to highlight some of the wigs that we have in store for you. Once again, this is how the wig show works. I'll show you what we have in store. Look at this 3-digit number right here. Every wig has a 3-digit number. You can plug that 3-digit in, that 3-digit number. Where's my finger at? Oh. You can plug this 3-digit number into the website, magichaircompany.com, which is pinned below, and all of these wigs are in the featured wig section and can ship out immediately. So once you plug that number in there, it will give you all of the details on the wig, and it can ship out immediately. They're here in stock, in store, available. And yeah, if you want to make your purchase online, you can, or you can of course come on into Magic Hair Company, make an appointment to come in, or you can call us and let us know that you are outside, and we will drop it off to you in our hands-free bucket right here. So we'll bring this out to the car, we'll meet you outside, pull up here, give us a call, and we will bring you your bucket with whatever goodies you guys get. Don't forget about our hair care product line. This is the best curl definer to use for all of our extensions. And then we have our shampoo and conditioner. This is what you want to use to revitalize your wigs. Boom, you got it right there. And then we of course, oh, hi guys, hi, it's me. I got my haircut yesterday, so this is my new haircut. Yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Okay, I'll get back to the video. But yeah, ooh, bad lighting. But these are the wigs that I have today. I'm not going to try any on today, but I definitely want to let everybody know what we have in store. So once again, go to the website, magichaircompany.com, and you will find all of the wigs here, plus about, I think right now there's about 50 wigs in the featured wig section. We are updating the featured wig section every day. So if you see something, grab it or check back in a couple of days and see what we have in stock. Right now I'm actually getting a new shipment in. Hopefully it will be here Thursday, so it may not be ready by next Friday's wig show, but I'm getting a lot of wigs in very fast. So check our featured wig section every day if you're looking for something specific, or just give us a call. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Hey girl, hey. Yeah. All of our wigs are glueless. So if you're worried about having to go to the salon to then put your wig on and do this and do that, you don't have to do any of that. Just we'll cut the wig, we'll cut the lace for you, either in store, or if you make your purchase online, we'll gladly cut the lace for you as well. And then you can just pop it on. Yeah. This wig is cute, $354. I think I'm gonna go with this one next. But yeah, we do custom coloring in store as well. Most of you know that. We've done all the custom coloring on all of these wigs here. So if you want any of your wigs from us custom colored, right now custom coloring is taking about 1 week due to, well, we have a lot of orders coming in since we just opened back up, and our limited hours, but custom coloring is taking a week. Definitely check out our natural hairline. This hairline is standard on all of the wigs. If you're not familiar with our hairline and want to see more, go check out some of our other videos. We definitely highlight the hairline. You definitely can part our wigs anywhere. This is a front lace wig, and look how beautiful the lace looks in the front. You can part it up to 6 inches going back. So all the way up to here, this is where the weft starts in this unit right here. So that's a lot of parting space. Okay, you guys get the point, but this is a man down, literally. Okay, I'll pick her up in a minute. I don't want to trip over this cord right here, so I'm not going to jump over it just right now, but man down. Yeah, so we did some custom coloring on this one here. This is a 18-inch 360 lace cap. The texture is wavy / body wave. There's some custom highlights in it here. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Oops. What do you guys think of my new haircut? Let me try to get in some better light and show you. Okay, let me show you. Okay, what do you guys think? What do you think of my new haircut? Should I throw a wig on, or should I rock my hair for a little bit? I'm gonna rock it today, at least. I just got it cut yesterday. Okay, so yeah, this is wig number 490. It has a, you know, that very popular pop in the front. We get a lot of requests for this. Thank you. We get a lot of requests for this on our deep body wave and our wavy textures. So we have this one in stock right here. If you want more information on it, go to our website. Thank you guys. You know, this is a big cut for me. Thank you. So yeah, if you want more information, go to the website and you can find out all about these wigs there, and it can ship to you next day, or if you're local, you can come by. We're open. Our COVID hours are our COVID hours are Wednesday through Saturday from 12 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time by appointment only. And we would like for you to text us before you arrive so we can make sure we can accommodate you and don't have too many people in the store. Our text appointment number is 424-258-0657. So please text us first to make an appointment, and we will gladly accommodate you in between the hours of 12 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Wednesday through Saturday. Wednesday through Saturday, 12 to 5 p.m. Wednesday through Saturday, 12 to 5 p.m. I have to get used to that because I've had the same hours for 7 years and now I'm changing them all of a sudden. So sorry, but the hours are definitely Wednesday through Saturday from 12 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And we can do a contactless drop off for you. Just give us a call, let us know you're outside. We'll cut the lace, we'll wrap it up, and we'll put it in our cute little bucket. And you can pull up right here outside and pick your wig up. We'll bring it right out to you. And yeah, we have parking right in front of the store. So we have these wigs right here that are ready. And yeah, custom coloring is taking 1 week. If you do come in, you are asked to wear your mask, and please try to social distance as much as possible. And we prefer credit card, no cash at this time. So yeah, but definitely check out our featured wig section at magichaircompany.com, where we put all of the wigs in that are available to ship out the next day. And yeah, so if you need a wig right now, check out the featured wig section. Okay, let your sister know. Just cool pop. Is there anything else you guys want to see right now? I'll probably be on here just a few more minutes, but I definitely wanted to get on here and show you kind of what we have in store right now, since we get a lot of calls all day. What do you have? So I promise you guys, no matter what the circumstances are, I will be here Friday at 3 o'clock to show you what we have in store. Just like today, my phone is not allowing me to log into Instagram, so I'm holding my iPad, and yeah, we're gonna work it out because I know everybody needs their wigs. But thank you everybody for watching, and if nobody has any more questions, I'm going to get off of here. Once again, all of these wigs are in the featured wig section of magichaircompany.com. We update that every single day with what we do and don't have in stock. Happy Juneteenth, everybody. Be safe. Don't drink and drive. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Send us an email to magichaircompany@gmail.com. Send us a DM. Do not forget to like, follow, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Just a reminder, our current COVID hours are Wednesday through Saturday from 12 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time by appointment only. Please text us to make your appointment at 424-258-0657. Once again, my name is Janice. I'm the owner of Magic Hair Company. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a great day, guys.